Alright, you guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another POV drive. Today is going to be a short video. I'm gonna try and keep the videos between 15 and 10 minutes, just so you guys can have something that's enjoyable and not too long, because 20 minutes I think is too long, or even half an hour. It depends on what I'm doing, but the POV drives, they don't have to be that long. But anyways, guys, for those of you who are new here to the channel, welcome, and thank you guys for the new subscribers. I reached 200 subs already, 200 something. I think I'm at 215 already at this point, and it's been great, you guys. Thank you guys for the support. And yeah, a few things on the car. For those of you who don't know, this car has a few mods here and there. The car has lowering springs from 034 Motorsports. It has an intake. I'll show you guys that right now. It has AWE cab bag exhaust. What else? It also has a transmission insert. The car is catless right now, but yeah, the reason why I'm going catless is because I want to go stage 2 plus on 034 Motorsports, so that way I'm able to do the advanced launch control, which is like the 2-step thing on the car. But yeah, you guys, for right now the car is looking stock. She looks really good the way she is sitting right now. I have a big upgrade coming for the car. I'll show you guys during the week, and it's gonna be a pretty big one. Now we're gonna have to do modifications and all that stuff to the car to be able to fit this part, and I think you guys are gonna like that. So stay tuned and keep watching the video. If you guys want to see what that upgrade is, please follow me on Instagram. I'm at slow.b8 on Instagram. So over there I'll give you guys a sneak peek of what that is. So I'll link it here somewhere or here somewhere, so you guys see what that upgrade is. I think it's gonna be a good upgrade because this car needs it. But yeah, that's the plan for right now. Thank you guys for watching the video, and yeah, let's get on with this drive. But first let me show you guys the engine bay. It's not a BMW, so you don't have to double pull. You know, they gotta make it easy. All right, so we got some leaves and stuff. This is the engine bay, what it looks like right now. It's a little, these covers are a little dirty because I was doing cooling the thermostat on here a little while ago, so I gotta clean up the engine bay a little bit. This filter has to go because, as you guys can see, it's pretty dirty. And I want to have maybe a 034 Motorsport intake on there, and with the shielding and stuff like that, because right now the car heat soaks whenever, you know, I go on a 30-minute drive, and that's because of course, the thing being exposed, and I don't have the proper ducting for it. So a few upgrades I gotta do on there. That's what the car is right now. The car is on a stage 1 tune. I have contacted every single company out there that tunes these cars, and they don't have any records of tuning the car. So I do know that the car is stage 1, but that's about it. I don't know anything else. So yeah, guys, let's get on with this drive. Yeah, guys, take a picture of that. That looks really nice right there. It's a really good looking car from some angles, sometimes, some days. But yeah, more upgrades coming. Now let's get on this drive. All right, you guys, this is where I'm gonna leave the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Yeah, thank you guys for the new subscribers and for the new people that have liked the videos and my YouTube shorts and everything. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see that update on what the mod is, the new mod for the car is. And yeah, I think you guys are gonna like it because not everyone does it, and I think I have to document the whole thing to show you guys, kind of like a little build series on this car. Well, once I get those parts and everything else. Anyways, you guys, that was the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and God bless. This is beautiful out here. Just wanted to show you guys before I leave. Yeah, there you go.